Okay, I'm going to attempt to do a quick run through of Moai without screwing too much up. First thing I'm going to do is load a suitable subject, and I'm going to go in and resize it to something a little bit more equitable. Yeah, to scale. Okay, that's a recent picture I took. Now I've got something I can work with. Swap my frame over here. I'm just going to start off with drawing a few things. We're not going to use hot pink. Start with orange. I don't really want the circle to be filled, so this is fine. Better check the brush type. I want something smaller. Okay, yeah. Pretty basic stuff. I can go in and fill that if I want. Okay, no problem. Boxes get the exact same treatment. Turn off the fill. Go to a slightly different, and then now I'm just going to roll the mouse a little bit to zoom in so we can get down to individual pixels if we absolutely wanted to. I can go in and pick something individually off the screen if I want, and it's kind of hard to see because of the camera, but it actually goes through and whatever you click on it plots it. So go back out, and lines are pretty much the same way, although they don't have much in the way of options. In fact, they don't have any options, so yay. Okay. Fill is going to be based on your tolerance, 0 to 255, 0 strict, high is loose, so we'll leave it pretty low, and we'll just kind of flood fill. Our tolerance is really low, that's why it picked up it didn't pick up the aliasing. Now if I went in, I rolled the tolerance up a bit, now you can see it started to eat into the aliasing a little bit, and so anyways, let's see, loading. No, I don't really want to load anything right now. I am going to restore since I don't like what I did. Okay, this is one of my favorite pictures because it's just so ridiculous. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to capture this eye, and now I'm going to turn that eye ever so slightly. Oh yeah, lovely. And then get the other eye just because I can, and we're gonna stretch that out a bit, and oh yeah, this is looking great. Next we'll go in and let's see, HSV, yeah, we need to pick a suitable color. Ooh, yes, I'm thinking pink. Ah, yeah, right there. Okay. We're going to go in and we're going to really mess up our eyes. Oh, yeah, I'm going to turn off filled so the brush type will actually kick in. Oh, yeah. Oh, what happened? Yeah. You can do some silly things, obviously. I could go in and I could get a cell, and then by changing the mask color to match, I could tell only the pixels in the mask to show up, so you're just going to see what I pasted below it showed up. That doesn't have a tolerance level set yet, so yeah. Let me go back. Frame, you've got all your clone, insert, resize, delete. We already went through resize. Options where you can go in and you can set your different tools that you want. There should be 22 in total. I haven't quite finished them all yet. So, go ahead and move this out of the way. Oh yeah, the last feature obviously is you can hold down the middle mouse button and you can pan across the entire image if you wanted to see say this bottom right corner because you're interested in phallic objects and tuna, so arrow keys to scroll. getting around larger images. Let's see what I got here. Oh yeah, testing out the fill. To answer, I'm being a little bit ADHD here for just a moment. Hold on. Fill, yes. To answer Pop's question, set tolerance down. Yeah, center didn't get filled in. Now it did. Work. So yeah, that's that in a nutshell is Moai. It's a work in progress, but I'm very far into development, so I just have to finish up all the brushes and the various ink styles. Right now the only ink style that works is opaque, but eventually there will be around 30 or so ink styles, so it should be interesting. And I'm going to stop this now because it's already gotten plenty ridiculous.